Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a brand new product that we released at loopcommunity.com called Split Tracks. Split Tracks are a great way to take any song in our library and create a customized mix of the tracks that you want. So you find a song that you want, then using your browser and our online mixer, you can mute the instruments that you don't want. You can turn instruments up, turn instruments down. Then after you purchase the split track, you get 4 wave files. You get click.wave, cues.wave, you get split.wave, that's the click and cues panned left and the tracks all panned right, and you get stereo.wave. This can be a great product for anybody who's using Ableton Live and just needs a simplified track, or maybe you're just running tracks from an MP3 or audio player, or maybe you just need an accompaniment track, a backing track, and an instrumental track. This is an awesome product for that. Also, your custom split track is available to you inside of our app Prime with section markers. It's a great new product. Let me show you how it works. All right, once you go to loopcommunity.com, find the song that you want. I'm going to use Graves Into Gardens for this example. On the right-hand side of the track page, you'll see all the product types, and you'll see the brand new option called Split Track. When you click on that, it's going to pop up an overview of how the online mixer works, and then what files you're going to get when you're done mixing. Once you've read that, click Let's Mix. When you scroll down, you'll see the online mixer. Let's go ahead and press play to load the samples. At the top left corner, I can choose how I'm going to preview my mix. So right now I'm listening in this full stereo mode, but if I want to choose the split mode, this just gives me a preview of what the split.wave is going to sound like. And the stereo shows me a preview of what the stereo mix is going to sound like. So with the split.wave, you're going to get the click and the cues panned left and all of your instrument tracks panned right. Now let's go ahead and mix in stereo. Let's just say we're going to mute the click and cues for now. Let's just say you don't want the drums. I can mute those. Maybe I don't need all the guitars, but this guitar I'm going to bring down a little bit. And maybe I don't need acoustic either. So you can mix and customize the volume of every single instrument. Once you're done with that, just click on Create Split Track. You can also choose what key you want the track to be in. I'm going to choose the key of B, which is the original. I'm going to choose Create Split Track. It's going to add the split track to my cart, where now I can check out. After you complete your purchase, go to Purchases and click on My Purchases. It will take a few minutes for your split track to generate, but once it's ready, a download zip button is going to be available. So let's click that. It's going to download the zip file. All right, once the zip downloads, let's go ahead and open it up. And inside of the zip file, you're going to see 4 wave files. You've got click.wave, that's just the click track. Then you have cues.wave, which is going to be just the cues file.
Intro, 4, 5, 6.
You'll have the split.wave, which is click on the left,
Intro,
cues on the left,
4,
and then
5,
tracks
6.
on the right. This is my custom mix that I created using the browser. And then you get the stereo.wave, which is your customized mix, but in full stereo. These audio files are going to be great for if you're using an audio player to run tracks, or if you need rehearsal tracks or instrumental tracks, or if you're using Ableton Live. Now let me show you what this looks like inside of Prime. Go to Prime, click on Add Song. Then you can choose Split Tracks as the category, and all your split tracks are going to show up here. Here's the one I just made. Let's go ahead and add it to my set list. And let's go ahead and press play. You'll see that I have the stereo track here, and then I have click and cues.
4, 5, 6.
So it's a very simplified track, but it gives me the instruments that I want from everything that I mixed within the browser. So that's Split Tracks. It's a great affordable option for people who just need a simple backing track for live performance, rehearsal, for accompaniment, for instrumental purposes. Create your own mix, have the audio and the mix that you want all from within your browser. Split Tracks start at $9.99 and they're available for every song in our catalog. Check it out at loopcommunity.com.